Aftership Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Aftership and related resources are included in the description below. Aftership is a post-purchase tracking and shipping solution designed to enhance the dropshipping process for online store owners, e-commerce platforms, and brand-conscious entrepreneurs. By offering automated shipping updates, branded tracking pages, and streamlined communications, Aftership aims to improve customer satisfaction and reduce "where's my order" inquiries. It's particularly beneficial for dropshippers operating with multiple suppliers or shipping carriers, as it consolidates all tracking data in a single dashboard for easy management. Aftership's key features include real-time tracking across hundreds of carriers, automated email or SMS notifications, and a customizable tracking page that can align with your brand's look and feel. The platform also supports multilingual tracking, which is a plus for dropshippers targeting international markets. For those who handle large volumes of orders, Aftership helps maintain customer trust by sending timely updates, reducing the risk of chargebacks or negative reviews stemming from shipping uncertainties. Additionally, Aftership's integration options with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it simple to implement within an existing storefront. In terms of strengths, Aftership's primary advantage is the unified tracking experience it provides to both merchants and customers. Instead of juggling multiple carrier websites and references, store owners see all tracking events in one place, improving efficiency. Customers, in turn, get consistent notifications and a branded tracking page, which keeps them engaged with your store. This cohesive post-purchase experience can boost loyalty, especially for droppers reliant on repeat business. Another plus is the analytics feature, which shows shipping performance and delivery times, allowing you to optimize your carrier choices. However, weaknesses include potential limitations on the free plan, where the number of shipments or notifications might be capped. Some users may find the setup of automated notifications and customized tracking pages requires a bit of a learning curve. Additionally, as your shipment volume grows, the cost may rise, making it essential to ensure the platform's ROI aligns with your profit margins. Overall, Aftership is a solid option for dropshippers and e-commerce stores looking to deliver a professional, seamless post-purchase experience. Its robust tracking, branded notifications, and carrier integration can elevate customer satisfaction and reduce support headaches. If you're aiming to streamline shipping communications and maintain brand consistency, Aftership is well worth exploring.